Hello everyone. Today's recipe is a poriyal from Tamilnadu. Usually poriyals are made with vegetables like cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, beans, etc. or a mixture of all the vegetables. They are mildly spiced and served as a side dish or accompaniment with thali meals or sambar rice. Today's poriyal is unique. We are going to make poriyal with prawns. Interesting, isn't it? Now for this you select freshwater prawns. They are nice and tender and perfect for this recipe. And since we don't add too many spices to the poriyal, but since this is prawn poriyal, you can go ahead and add a little bit of spices to suit your taste buds. So let's proceed to make prawn poriyal. I'm sure those who love South Indian non-veg food are definitely going to love this prawn poriyal. Let's get started. Prawn poriyal, a very delicious and unique side dish to pair with sambar rice or rasam rice or with any thali meals. You can even enjoy it as a snack by itself. A must try for those who love South Indian non-veg dishes. Clean the prawns, devein them and wash them thoroughly. Now cut them into smaller pieces. If they are small, cut them into half. If they are a little bit bigger, cut them into 3 pieces. Now this is done. Boil water in a pan. Add salt, little bit of turmeric powder, one-inch piece of cinnamon stick, few cloves. Now these will remove the smell of the prawns. Once the water starts to boil, add the prawns. Now we are going to cook them for a couple of minutes. Don't overcook the prawns, they'll become chewy. Now drain out the water and discard all the whole spices. Heat oil in a pan. Preferably use sesame seed oil. But in Kerala they use coconut oil. So whichever you like, you can. If not, you can use the normal oil also. Any oil you like. Add half teaspoon each of cumin seeds and mustard seeds. Asafoetida, generous pinch. Now let these crackle on low flame. Just stir them together. Now tip in the dry red chillies. 2 chillies broken and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Give them a toss. Let the flavors get infused. Now add the prawns, pre-cooked prawns. Just saute them together and season them with cumin powder, coriander powder. Normally poriyal is milder, they don't add chili powder. If you wish to add, you can go ahead and do that. Mix everything well. Add 1 tablespoon of podi, any podi you have. Now adding podi is my twist to this recipe. And then some grated coconut. If the podi you are using is not spicy, you can add little bit of red chilli powder. Give them all a nice mix. And the poriyal is done. Very easy recipe. A lovely side dish to serve with sambar rice and rasam rice. Finally, little bit of lemon juice, about half a lemon should do. If you wish, you can even enjoy this as a snack, and then you may keep the prawns intact, not cut them into small pieces. And you can make it little spicier and serve it as a snack also. Give it a nice mix and the poriyal is done. Dish it out and enjoy. Check out my other poriyal recipes as well. I've posted some earlier. The links are shared in the I button and description box. Like the recipes, do share them with your friends as well. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.